Everyone tells you that space is a silent vacuum, but they are wrong. When NASA processed the solar vibrations from the SOHO spacecraft, they discovered a deep, rhythmic thumping. This is the actual sound of the sun. It's a low-frequency pulse caused by the movement of hot gas and magnetic loops vibrating at 4 million pounds of pressure. It's not just noise. It sounds like a giant cosmic heartbeat. If our ears could hear it directly, it would be louder than a rock concert from 93 million miles away. Is the sun just a star or a living machine? Hit follow and come back tomorrow for another crazy fact.